welcome back to the channel. My name is Paris Lorraine if you guys are new, and if you're not, you guys already know what's up. I'm not even going to cap to y'all. It's just a simple fact of me not uploading because of me being lazy and not really feel like recording, as well as not really feel like editing the videos because that's a very, very long process. But as y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a half up, half down style. So I have my bonnet on because I did just wake up. It is now probably about 11 o'clock p.m. So I did wake up around like 10 o'clock. So I have my scarf on so my hair really didn't get messed up. So in my description in the title, I didn't really say what I'm going to be doing my hair with. I didn't say what, like natural hair or nothing. I'm just going to take this scarf off and show y'all what it is. So y'all, this is a frontal. This is a frontal by me. I tried to melt it as much as I could, you know how people melt their stuff, but I will be doing my half up and down style with this frontal. This is actually Brazilian hair. Many people mistake it for Virgin Indian. The inch is 22, something light. I didn't really want to go too long, but yeah. So you guys will need a rat tail comb, a rubber band scrunchie or a pincha, and since I'm not using my actual hair for this style, this is the generic brand of mousse, Walmart's brand. Not Walmart, I meant Sally's. Also a little brush to just comb your little knots out and things like that. You don't really want to, well, you can use a comb, but don't use a comb like this to comb your hair out because it will rip the strands of your hair out. Alright y'all, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back and go down to my ears, as well as this side, curve down from the back and go all the way down to my ears. So now that I did that, you want to start combing it out by the bottoms and then work your way up. So now y'all, just to get my other hair out the way and then tie it up so it is out the way. This hair is so silky, so I actually do have to wrap my ponytail holder around it a few times. So now what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm just going to be brushing this hair down and up on the sides. You can actually do this part with your rat tail so it's actually smoother. Because you want this look to be as smooth as it possibly can. So now that I have brushed everything up and into the middle of my hair, you want to shake up the mousse and spray. I put a lot, but I probably really won't need all of this. But just make sure it's enough where everything, every particle of hair, everything will be as slick as possible. So now we're going to grab our comb and begin slicking everything to the middle of our head. So I'm just gonna touch up little areas that aren't as slick as I would need them to be into the top ponytail. And be sure that this is as smooth as you can make it. And then tie it tight. So now I'm just gonna comb this out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little piece of hair and tease it just a little bit so it's not too thin. I'm gonna wrap this piece of hair around the rubber band so the rubber band is no longer visible. To stay, I'm gonna grab the Got To Be glue. Grab about this much and put it around the piece that had to secure itself. So while we're here, I'm just gonna pull some edges out. And y'all, edges are not my forte, so believe me when I say it. Right here. And I'm just gonna cut the... Alright, y'all. So many people do their edges. They actually do use mousse, but I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I like a better hold, and I feel more reliable if I actually did use this Got To Be glue. So just a little bit, don't use a lot. Just a little tiny bit. Just like so. Then I'm gonna do this side. Just a little bit once again. Razor again and slice that. So I could wear it like that, like this. And y'all, before I even do that step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab an elastic band, and I'm just gonna wrap this band around my hairline so everything can literally melt. And I'm gonna do this step for about 10 minutes. And before the 10 minutes is up, I'm gonna add a blow dryer to my edges to just melt them and make them look like they're coming out of my scalp. So now, as y'all can see, I'm now in the bathroom with my handy blow dryer. And now what I'm gonna do is, while my elastic band is on, I'm gonna blow dry my hairline with heat. Alright, y'all. So now that I'm back from blow drying this hair, I'm gonna just take this band off. And I'm gonna just brush this part up. These over here. And then I'm gonna brush this out. Because you want it to be kind of natural, not like, you know. I kind of cut it too short, but it's still work, you know, it's not really that serious. Just like so. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.